Hey guys, Gavin has done it again with the coolest looking 3D printed Mega Sniper Blaster I've ever seen. This is the GFZ Mega SMC. Thank you very much to Gavin for letting me this SMC demo unit for review. Also a big thank you to Alexander from Light Wizards for filming this intro and review footage. Most of you will already know that GFZ stands for Gavin Fuzzy and SMC stands for Spam Multi-Cal. Multi-Cal because it can currently take full-length Mega Darts, cut down Mega Darts, and also 13mm darts with the expansion kit in the future. This SMC comes in two configurations, the BRT configuration, meaning the sniper version, and the CQB configuration, which is a shorter and more maneuverable one. Let's do some shooting first. As you already know, a common game rule is that Mega Darts can tag shield users. So I'm going to shoot at the human torso size target at various distances to see if we can hit it with both full length and cut down orange tip AQ Megas. I am not using regular Mega Darts because they are notoriously inaccurate. I am also not using these grey tip AQ Megas because the grey dart head is the same width as the foam, which will result in barrel drag and affect performance. Only full length and cut down orange tip AQ Megas are used here. Let's do a quick chronograph check. Starting with full-length orange tip AQ Megas at a 10m metal target. Humidity is high and there are moderate to strong winds. High. Using the reticle markings as a holdover to adjust my point of aim for the next shot. 10m target hit. Next, 20m human torso size target. Here is where I do some windage adjustments. .20m target hit. Next, same target at 30 meters. Making some adjustments. .30m target hit. Let's try 40 meters. All darts fell short of the target. Combined with the strong winds, 40 meters seems to be too far. 30 meters seemed like the effective range for full-length orange tip AQ Megas. Now with the cut down orange tip AQ Megas at 10 meters. Easy hit. Next, 20m human torso size target. Easy hit too. Next, 30 meters. 30 meters target hit as well. Now 40 meters.
Almost there.
Similar to the full-length Accumegas, the cut-down Accumegas could not reach the target under strong winds, and 30 meters seemed to be the effective range as well. Overall, this Mega SMC blaster is very fun to shoot and can hit a human-sized target at 30 meters effectively with moderate to strong winds. Let's take a closer look at this blaster. It measures about 104 cm with the buttstock fully extended and weighs about 2.7 kg without a magazine. Hidden inside this decorative muzzle is a B-car. Yes, this is a B-car designed specially for mega darts and should help to impart speed and improve accuracy. Very cool. Metal foldable bipod with decorative 3D printed plates. Because bipod equals sniper. These are functional M-lock slots running along the handguard, and Picatinny rail at the top. The hand stop is useful and a very nice touch. The handguard can be removed with this quick detach pin. The barrel is also removable by loosening this screw with the Allen key. This blaster can be dismantled very easily into parts in less than a minute for easy transport and storage. Ambidextrous priming handles at both sides. So you can prime with the left hand, right hand, or both hands if you have noodle arms. Very nice detailing with GFZ and SPAM multi-cal at the sides. There will also be the GFZ logo on the metal tube, but it is not shown on this demo unit. Nice and solid pistol grip. The trigger feels good too. Smooth cheek rest plate. This quick detach pin is for spring swapping. I will demonstrate this shortly. Pull out this other quick detach pin to adjust the buttstock's length. There are indents at the sides to fit in the QD pin's rings so they do not jiggle. Very nice. Unscrew this knob to adjust the monopod for maximum sniper feels. But proning with this blaster is purely for cosplay or LARPing. Good luck hitting anything using this blaster in a prone position. Sitting, kneeling or standing is most effective. This SMC features a quick spring swap system. Simply pull out this pin here to slide out the buttstock. Push and twist to turn this knob on the spring guide to take out the spring. There are 4 different FPS springs available. The red spring is the strongest one, which was used for testing. The SMC uses printed magazines with constant force springs similar to Diana magazines. The full-length magazines come in 7-round and 10-round capacity. To use the cut-down AccuMegas, simply prime the blaster and insert this adapter with ball detents into the mag well. These cut-down AccuMega magazines come in 7-round and 11-round capacity. However, during testing, I encountered some feeding issues with the higher capacity magazines. It could be due to friction between the inner walls and the followers, or maybe it is the constant force spring that is not strong enough. Let's start with the cons first. The GFZ Mega SMC is not cheap. This setup with 2 magazines and without the LPVO, of course, is available at IFB for a total of 475 Singapore dollars. Separately, the hardware is 295 Singapore dollars and printed parts are $180. If you are not a regular Mega Dart user without a 3D printer and want to dive into this ecosystem, it may be a bit pricey and you will have to spend quite a bit for more magazines and darts. Also, I believe these orange-tipped AccuMegas are quite hard to find nowadays. But how can you not fall in love with the aesthetics of this Mega SMC? This blaster looks so good. It's very well designed and it's very fun to play with. It can also hit the human torso size target at 30 meters very effectively. I can imagine the look on players' faces, especially shield users, when they think they are invincible from far away, but get tagged out at 30 meters with AccuMegas. This SMC is definitely a true Mega Sniper blaster that is way ahead of its time. Now, we just have to wait for the Mega Foam Dart technology to catch up to Gavin's blaster. If better Mega Darts do show up in the future, the possibilities with this Mega SMC are endless. Product links are in the video description if you are interested. If you found this review video helpful, do check out these other videos here. Thank you and see you.